Hello, today is Tuesday, May 25th, and today you are going to be reviewing the comments that I left you. You can find the comments that I left you on your radio ad inside of this assignment. I left some comments there. So you're going to review my comments. You are also going to review the comments that your peers left you. So inside of this document, you should be able to find comments that your peers left you. So they were asked to copy, or actually asked to duplicate your slide and then to label it. So you should be able to find some good information there. So you're going to want to start by kind of refining your ad and tweaking it in writing, your script itself. Let's talk about where we should be refining that script. Even though it'll be a little crazy because everybody would be on the document, I would like you to work on the original slide that you posted on here. And I'm going to just use Lucy's as the example again. So she would type the word original here. And she's going to copy all of this information and paste it. She's going to take the original and change it to the word final. And this is where she's going to make the tweaks. So I want to be able to see your original, and I want to be able to see where you have tweaked it to your final, because as I review these comments, I want to see which ones you were able to utilize and incorporate into your project. So that's the first part of today's assignment. The second part of today's assignment is to begin creating background music and adding sound effects to Soundtrap for your radio ad. And one very important piece is to share the file and name the file. So I am going to navigate into Soundtrap. And I want to ensure that students know how to rename a file. So this would be my new file, and right here where it says Untitled Podcast, this is where I want you to put your last name. So the example would be Martin. You would be putting your last name. You don't have to put the word last name. Semicolon, and then the name of your product. So mine was Sun-Ripened, or Sun-Ripe. Sun-Ripened. Okay, so I better come up here and put this in parentheses. Again, you're not putting any parentheses, you're putting your actual product. It's going to be product name. And then you are going to share it, and you are sharing that with emartin at tusge.org and say invite. And obviously, I'm already on there because it's my own project. So hopefully, then I will be able to see all of your projects. So when we talk about Mrs. Martin evaluating your work and making sure that you completed today's work, I need to be able to find this file. So when you share a file, it goes directly to my email, as well as in here. Okay, so these are my projects. These were others have invited me, or I will get an email. You can see when I search Soundtrap that I have lots of emails in here. But do you see when, depending on how you've named it, so like here, this is great. Sebastian has put his name in there versus this user number. But I know some of us were having trouble changing that user number. So it's really important that we are naming that file. So good luck today. So you are making your Soundtrack file, making sure you name it, and you are refining your script, and you are doing that with a copy and paste of an original and then your final. Good luck and have fun.